BSc in MS University, Baroda, and then he moved to USA. You can see that when he got the Nobel Prize, at the time this lady got the Nobel Prize, this also got the Nobel Prize. So Nobel Prize was shared between the three scientists. And the subject of Venkatraman was biophysics and biochemistry, but other two guys crystallography. So crystallography is interdisciplinary between the chemistry and physics. So in 2009, this Venkatraman did not take the education in IITs. Venkatraman did not get the college education in any reputed university except in Baroda. So, do you have an ambition like Venkatraman? हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जे हमारे ત્યાં સાયન્સ માં હોય તો એકદમ એવરેજ લોટ આવે છે. ટોપર્સ બધા તમે સમજી લો કે મેડિકલ ને એન્જિનિયરિંગ માં આઈઆઈટી માં ત્યાં બધા હોય છે. તો જે લોકો સાયન્સ એન્ડ ટેકનોલોજી or those who are interested to those who can dictate the science and technology, they are going to some other field. તો આજે આપણે આમાંથી તમે એક્સટ્રાordinary બ્રિલિયન્ટ માણસો આ વેંકટરામન નો એટલા માટે આજે તમને he must be a role model for our youngsters. અને વેંકટરામન કેમ્બ્રિજમાં અત્યારે કામ કરે યુકે ની અંદર અને આજે પણ એની લેબોરેટરી ઘર સુધી સાયકલ લઈને જાય છે. આજે પણ એ સાયકલ લઈને જાય તમે સમજો એટલો સિમ્પલ. અને એ સૂતો તો ને નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ કમિટીએ જાણ કરી ત્યારે એના માઇન્ડ ની અંદર એવી કોઈ he was not jump from his bed with joy. He was full of confidence that one day I will get the Nobel Prize. જિંદગીની અંદર જો આવી આપણે આવા પ્રકારની આપણે જો એમ્બિશન રાખીએ અને why they got the Nobel Prize for studies of the structure and function of ribosome. This invention will be useful for the further treatment of the human body. Still it is under experimental conditions. But you will be surprised when you see the CV of when you see the CV of Venkatraman. Venkatraman was not extraordinary brilliant students in the MS University. And prior to that nobody has ever remembered Venkatraman in the MS University. But the day he got the Nobel Prize, the teachers and everything, they came, they said that we have taught the Venkatraman, and he was, with pride he said that Venkatraman was our student. So this is what you can see that Dr. Ramakrishnan on his BSc in physics. In 1971, it's a very recent and modern case. Then he moved to biology at University of California, which is not possible in our country. When you take the physics, you have to continue straight away entire life with the physics. But in USA and other countries, there is an interdisciplinary. So he moved to the biology, and he got the Nobel Prize for biochemistry. You can see that. That is Santiago, where he took years of classes and they conducted research with Dr. Maurice Mental and the membrane biochemistry. Then, after his postdoctoral fellowship, Dr. Peter Moore and Dr. Radhakrishnan joined the staff of Brookhaven National Laboratory. There began his ongoing collaboration with Stephen White and to clone the genes and for several ribosome proteins and determine their three-dimensional structure. So you can see that the person was got the BSc degree in the physics, and he moved to the USA and he has started the working in biochemistry. Then of course you can find that F5 then what happened to see? He was also
Of chords of circle by using half-chord method. He gave the value of pi as 3.1416. He also gave methods for extracting square roots, summing arithmetic series solving in determined equations of the type ax minus by is equal to c, and also gave table of signs. He wrote a textbook for astronomical calculations, Aryabhatta Siddhartha. Even today, this data is used in preparing Hindu calendars. In recognition to his contribution to astronomy and mathematics, India's first satellite was named as Aryabhatta.
Now you can see that this is the contribution given by the Aryabhatta. 3 contributions was there. He has calculated the value of pi, and till today with a supercomputer this value will be same. He has calculated the square root of 49, and then sine theta is equal to 1. That is one of the finest relation which is established in the mathematics. So that was a contribution given by our scientists like Aryabhatta. But right now, if I tell you that this is the contribution, then you feel that it is a very simple thing. કારણ કે આજે પાઈની વેલ્યુ તમે સીધી કેલ્ક્યુલેટર કાઢો એટલે તમને મળી જાય. સ્ક્વેર રૂટ પહેલા અમે ભણતા ત્યારે લોગ ટેબલ વાપરતા. મેં બધી મારી ગણતરીઓ પીએચડી થીસીસમાં લોગ ટેબલથી કરેલી. અને sin theta is equal to sin 90 is equal to 1. એની ઉપરથી આખી ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી ડેવલપ થઈ. So now you can see that since Venkatraman, you can see that this is biodata. So then later on he moved to the University of Utah in 1995, became professor in the Department of Biochemistry. He was working, he is basically he was physics. Later on he moved to the MCR Laboratory of Molecular Biology, and then he has focused on molecular biology. હું એટલા માટે કહું છું કે ડોક્ટર કે એન્જિનિયર કેવું થઈએ તો એક જ બ્રાન્ચને આપણે માણી શકાય. You can enjoy in one branch. But if you select the pure science, then you can have a interdisciplinary, and you can enjoy the physics, you can enjoy the chemistry, you can enjoy the molecular biology, and the molecular biology is a need of present day. And finally, where he is a senior scientist, a group leader in the structural studies of division. So right now he is working in Cambridge, and in 2009 he got the Nobel Prize. So this is what you must have a certain type of ambition. I am very much interested to work in pure science, and I am interested to plunge myself into a wonderful innovation, and that will be useful for the society. And then you can take the proud. And I personally feel that from this particular group of the students, you should go for the pure science. And here is a good, college to carry out the pure science. Or alternatively, St. Xavier's College Ahmedabad is one of the best colleges for carrying out the pure science. And then I will also show you how to develop your career in a wonderful world of science, and how to get the admission in one of the finest, laboratory, one of the finest institute of our country, where it is very difficult to get the admission. So you should try to make the plan of that particular type of the things, so that you will not get the idea, you will not get the final. Now, I am not going to discuss much about that, but when we talk about the science, and if you are interested to explore the science, then these are the 4 pillars for any country. You should have a clear understanding vision, and we should have a clear-cut 4 pillars. There is techno-nationalism. You should have a clear-cut idea about nationalism. And this is a very good word, but for you this is a little bit higher for you. There is inclusive growth. That's also one of the finest. Then of course techno-globalization. So this is very, very important for you. Nowadays you find that, technology is very important for us. And technology, when you say that the technology means it is not limited to Rajkot, it is not limited to Bhavnagar, it is not limited to any country, but it should be limited, it should be spread all over the world, like WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp has made tremendous change in the society, and now with the help of WhatsApp you can see that any kind of information you can pass on within a fraction of a second. So this is called a techno globalization. And then of course you can see that is global leadership. Now when we talk about the leadership, not only that in science, but even in the leadership in the political field, the leadership must be global. And this is what our country has produced excellent scientists like C.N.R. Rao. Recently C.N.R. Rao got the Bharat Ratna, and he is one of the finest scientists of our country. He is a material chemist, and he is worldwide recognized by scientists. And when he will publish any paper in the scientific journal, people will take the note about that. Then now, this is one of the finest initiatives taken by government of India to produce a world-class scientist. I am putting world-class scientist. And one guy has given the information about the 5 Easter. That's the Indian Institute of Science and Education Research. This initiative was taken by government of India in 2005. And especially C.N.R. Rao, Gordon Mehta, Sham Pitroda. They assembled and they have decided that China is now threat for our country. And China has started about the Center for Excellence in each and every university. And they have focused on research and innovation. So why we are also lagging? So this is finest, the initiative taken by the government. And at present 5 ICERs are available in our country. And each and every ICER has got its specialization.